Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening settings with Windows plus I so you act fast. Once in System, select Power and Sleep. This is where Windows controls idle behavior. Change the screen and sleep dropdowns to Never, or choose the longest option if Never is unavailable. Make sure you're on the correct power profile, plugged in versus on battery matters. After changing these, you'll have disabled basic sleep triggers. Next, we adjust advanced options to stop deeper idle timers and connected standby. Now you dive into the advanced power plan. Open Control Panel and go to Power Options, then change Plan Settings and select Change Advanced Power Settings. Expand Sleep. Set Sleep After and Hibernate After to Never or 0 minutes. Also disable Allow Hybrid Sleep. Under USB Selective Suspend and PCI Express Link State Power Management, choose Disabled or Maximum Performance. Once done, apply and save. These changes prevent deeper sleep states, and device-triggered suspends finish by turning off hibernation and diagnosing blockers. Open an admin command prompt and run PowerCug H off to remove Hibernate and reclaim file space, which also stops hybrid sleep. Then run PowerCug / requests to check processes preventing or forcing sleep and PowerCug / lastwake to see recent wake sources. Test by leaving the PC idle and reviewing Event Viewer under System for kernel power entries. If the PC still sleeps, check drivers and background tasks, update drivers, disable scheduled tasks, and rerun diagnostics.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.